Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 Hispanic expressions that you should know. So without further ado, let's go ahead. Top 5 expressions. Number 1, ponerse morado. Number 2, meter la pata. Number 3, me importa un pepino. Number 4, hacerse el sueco. And number 5, comerse el coco. Tell me, have you ever seen these before? So number 1, ponerse morado. We use this one when you've eaten a lot of food and you're full, or when, for example, you went to a restaurant and you had lovely food and it was a lot of quantity. You could say, me puse morado. So ponerse would be the verb, and morado, just the expression ponerse morado. Number 2, meter la pata. This means to make a mistake. For example, I've made a mistake. He metido la pata. Número 3. Me importa un pepino. This is basically I don't care. We could use pepino, which is cucumber. We could use me importa un pimiento, which would be pimiento means pepper. These are funny because you can't really translate them into English because they make no sense. But yeah, they're funny. So, me importa un pepino. I don't care. Número 4. Hacerse el sueco. To act or to play dumb. Let me know if you would like on the comments below to know where these expressions come from, because most of them have a really good explanation for them. And last but not least, number 5, número 5, comerse el coco. We say comerse el coco when you're overthinking something. So for example, when you're chatting with a friend and they're overthinking and thinking about the same thing over and over again, you would tell them like, don't overthink. So we would say, no te comas el coco. Okay? Or for example, when someone asks you, how are you? And you're sort of like, oh, I'm thinking about these so much. You could say, comiéndome el coco. Like you're thinking over and over to whatever topic it is. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you for watching. Gracias. And if you'd like me to make more videos or would like to support me and let me know that you like and you want me to keep going making these videos, this is how you can support us. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel, you can hit the like button, or you can join us on Facebook at the Spanish Road, in which you will find more exercises and topics, and in which you can ask questions and talk to other people about Spanish, and in which you can also be notified when a video has been uploaded. So I hope to see you over there. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.